As always, we are ready to move forward with an army of strong, righteous brothers and sisters. Nothing moves in Africa, as I said before, without your legal homework. You must do your legal homework in order to overcome any difficulties that you may face anywhere in the world. As a matter of fact, most African leaders are lawyers. Michelle Obama is a lawyer. I mean, you're talking about people that move to the top of the world, the legal people. So without saying a lot, I want to bring forth my brother, my friend, someone that has made it possible to have the Ghana government here through the Ghana Investment Promotion Center, Noah Asamani.
Let me begin by first extending a very warm welcome to all of you. I have been privileged to be working with David.
Working with me, he's my lawyer, he keeps me out of trouble.
And we are there to provide legal advice for all potential investors. Right from the registration of a company until the company begins to produce and sell its products. I have also a partner, someone who is my partner at the law firm, who is also here. He is in the person of Mr. Ernest Doku.
Ernest, you say Ernest. You got Ernest too.
So we are there to provide every necessary assistance pertaining to the legal aspects of your investment. And in addition, we also consult for potential investors in the mining sector, those who are interested in going to mining. We also consult for those who are interested in going to agriculture, production of crops, and then fish farming. So we welcome those who are interested in establishing any business ventures here in Ghana, and we'll offer you every necessary assistance. On this note, I want to thank you once again for coming. Thank you.
We don't have time for questions and answers. So basically, we're going to decrease, like they say in the churches, and so you can increase. But I'm not a preacher like that. But I used to go to, I used to be part of the slave-orientated, how they used to do us. But anyway, moving along.